Think YouTube only pays through AdSense? Think again. Some of the most profitable YouTube channels aren't even monetized the traditional way. In this video, I'll show you real-world examples of channels making money without relying on YouTube's partner program and how you can follow the same strategy even if you have 0 subscribers. Problem breakdown. The problem? Most creators give up before they ever hit 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 watch hours. They think monetization is the finish line. But the truth is, it's not the only path. In fact, waiting on AdSense could be the slowest way to grow. So let's break down real examples of how others are making money without it. Example 1. Affiliate-focused channel. Example. AI tools you need. This faceless channel reviews AI software and links to affiliate programs in the description. They're not monetized, but they earn commission every time a viewer signs up using their link. With just a few hundred views per video, they're likely pulling in a few $100s a month and scaling fast. Tip: use affiliate programs like ElevenLabs, Pictory, Canva, or Amazon Influencer. Mention tools naturally. This video was made with AI. Links below if you want to try it. Example 2. Digital product seller channel. Example, Notion for creators. This faceless channel shares productivity tips and sells Notion templates through Gumroad. They only get a few hundred views per upload, but they make real income selling products their audience wants. Tip: create simple guides, checklists, or templates that match your channel's niche. Example, a YouTube content planner, video script template, or niche checklist. Example 3. YouTube automation freelancer channel. Example, faceless workflow. This creator showcases how to automate faceless videos and offers their services on Fiverr. They use their channel to attract clients for video editing, AI voiceovers, or script writing. Tip: list your services in the video description and show off your work through uploads. It's a portfolio disguised as content. Strategy recap and mindset shift. Here's what all these channels have in common. They solve a specific problem. They use the description as the money maker. They don't wait for YouTube approval to get paid. You don't need 1,000 subs to make money. You just need the right offer in front of the right people. If this gave you ideas, leave a like so YouTube shows it to more creators. And hit subscribe. I break down faceless YouTube strategies every single week. All the tools I mentioned are linked in the description. Feel free to use my affiliate links if you want to support the channel. Now go out and earn, even without monetization. See ya on the next one.